make a comment then about.
Well, we've seen this in double hit models, in new models for schizophrenia, for example, a prenatal insult model and then adult insult. So I think you can make very interesting models in those particular things. And the ones that try and mimic a pathological process, I think are the ones to go for. And I don't think they will turn out to be specific for the illnesses that we currently call schizophrenia or whatever. They do clearly model a pathophysiological process and allow you to test whether manipulation of that model. I think we can find out, and we're very interested with the atypical antipsychotics, for example, change circadian systems, or they change synaptic progression, or, so you can see in animal models clearly the effect on the pathophysiological process in a way you can't see in human subjects. And I think that would be critical to the comment Max was making about going forward again, once we're confident that the thing is having an effect in humans, clarifying what is the nature of that effect, which processes are actually being changed by the treatment, pharmacological or behavioural.
Nice.
I think we have to classify the various psychiatric disease states much more clearly in terms of MRI and PET, which we haven't exhausted by a mile. And we've hardly talked at all about MRI spectroscopy yet. We've talked about DTI, we've talked about volume, we've talked about thickness, but we haven't talked about C13 spectroscopy, which is still embedded mostly in Yale. There's a little bit of proton stuff because it's relatively easy around the tracks, but that hasn't exhausted. Furthermore, the old techniques like FDG PET have never been exhausted. I mean, we now know that cortical metabolic rate, PNA's paper coming, cortical metabolic rate, as I said earlier, is an exact measure of the amount of synaptic and action potential activity in that part of the brain. FDG is just a way for humans, of course, to get that straightened out. So we've got all that there to do, I think, on the humans. Coming to the animals, no one's going to argue that a mouse that's been kept a few hours a day in a little box isn't stressed. I mean, it's almost a human definition of stress to look at it. So that's an easy way to go, the way I tried to present today, that is in going in reverse translation and showing that the great changes in the rat's brain